I actually been doing some work on the house. I just finished repainting. I'm pretty happy the way that it came out. My first time painting a house, so I was pretty happy with that. So let me show you what I actually did, and luckily it was just a little bit of stuff. So So I purchased 3 different clamps that I wanted to use or to try out to see which one would work better on holding my bait tank outflow off the side of my boat. So the first one I got was this one. So it will work. You know, it's like that onto the side. It holds it. It's stainless steel with rubber. It actually not too bad. You know, if it sits like this on the side of my boat, near the transom. And the other good thing is if it easily can come in and out, whatever. The other one is a plastic one. This is the plastic one, but look at this, it's really huge. And I just bought the wrong size. I should have bought like you know, maybe a 1.5 or a 2-inch one. It probably would have worked a little bit better, but it needs 2 screws, so that was kind of a bummer. This is the third one I got right here, and this one's pretty good. You just need to use 1 screw, which is nice, and my hose locks into place, and you can see it's in there pretty good. And this is going to be mounted on the side. So you can see how well that holds in, and then when I want to remove my hose, it just pops out. And actually this one here, I bought not even thinking I was going to use it. I didn't know how great it would be, but it actually is the one that I'm going to go with. So one of the things that I did was I redid my deck lid. I put my compound on it, filled it all in, sanded it, and shaped it. You can kind of see here, it's all been shaped and it's been gel coated. So I still have to wet sand it down so I can match everything, and then polish this, of course. Then these little guys here, these little holes, those are filled in. You can see the back side here, so I haven't taken off the tape. So once I take off the tape, then sand everything down on the back, and then just throw a little coat of gel coat over that to get it good. So